So time to pressure test this plumbing. We're gonna see if this will hold 100 psi. Well, long story short, I can hear it dumping air somewhere. Well, here's somewhere. Well, figured out I was missing like 6 crimp rings over here because I believe I ran out that day and I just dry fitted everything. It's actually more than 6. I think it's 8. Something I figured out with these crimp rings a while back is I will not, this one I'm just gonna do, but for these vertical ones, they always want to seem to slide. So sometimes I'll just not crimp it, just put the thing around it, and it tightens it up enough to where it won't move, and then you can kind of monkey it into place. Like that. Okay, got this one fixed, so that all should be good. And let's try throwing some air into this now and see what it does. Air come out somewhere else. Alright, this cap just blew off, so we're gonna re-crimp this. The correction being, I never crimped it. There we go. That's what I'm saying about sometimes these just don't sit where you want them to. And you have to do that pre-crimp. This is the first time coming back to this manifold after it's probably been a year because I took a detour and finished the basement, but I'm just realizing I never put one here. That's been remedied for the 4th time. Guess that one didn't get crimped. Can hear something else blowing air. So I just cut this piece of PEX out because I heard a leak, and sure enough, there's a little hole in it. So I throw coupling in, couple couplings, fix this. And it's because there is a screw in there somehow. The PEX didn't bend like I thought it would in my head, so I just multi-tooled the screw out, and I'm gonna do it this way instead.
Twisting the PEX a little bit to my advantage as far as which way it naturally wants to go because of being a roll.
Crimp all these down. I will say this is probably the last time that I use PEX B. I used a couple pieces of PEX A for the tub area, and it just bends so much easier. Which doesn't sound like it would be a huge help, but it makes it go so much faster. Alrighty. Alrighty, well, we are holding 100 psi, and the little bit of hissing you hear in the background is coming from the compressor itself, so I think we should be good to go finally.